Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Hecate Edifier GT4 wireless gaming earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, they're not syncing or pairing with your device or your phone, or if the left ear is not working or the right ear is not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you need a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good price on a good set of earbuds. But the second reason you might want to do this is if you just for whatever reason want to set these earbuds up as though they are brand new and delete all the pairing history off of them. And it's really easy to do. So all we need to do is with our earbuds out of the case, and they should be off, so you'll need to turn them off if they're on. We just need to press and hold, and we need to do this for each earbud individually. So we'll just press and hold the earbud, the touch button on the back of the earbud for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, that earbud will factory reset. Once they've both been done separately, we can just go ahead, put them in the case, take them back out, and set them up like it's a new set of earbuds.